Welcome, Drilltech Oilfield Equipment Manufacturing LLC, Abu Dhabi, UAE. Drilltech Oilfield Equipment Manufacturing LLC is a leading provider of quality oilfield equipment, operating from a 150,000 sq.ft. facility in Abu Dhabi. We deliver customized solutions across the Middle East, serving major oil and gas companies with expertise in upstream, midstream, and downstream operations, including marine and offshore applications. Drilltech's 150,000 sq.ft. facility produces a wide range of drilling equipment and excels in fabricating skids, tanks, heavy structural steel, and subsea components, offering services in inspection, lifting, and cladding. Certifications and accreditations. Drilltech holds key certifications, including multiple API standards, high-long threading, ASME stamps, National Board, R, and ISO 9001, 14001, and 45001 for quality, environmental, and safety management. Machining. API Q1 certified. Drilltech provides local machining, assembly, and testing of API products at our Abu Dhabi facility, adhering to top industry standards for casing, wellhead, and drill stem, including high-long premium threading. Fabrication. Fabrication services. Drilltech's skilled team fabricates tanks, skids, and pressure vessels, ensuring high quality with ASME and National Board certifications. Standards and applications. We are certified with ASME U.S. and PP stamps and offer services in inspection, maintenance, and pressure vessel testing. Drilltech offers tailored well services that prioritize speed and efficiency while adhering to API 6A and 16A standards for BOP repair, is ARNCO approved for hard banding, provides pressure testing for various components, conducts precise motor and jar testing, and ensures compliance with welding codes through post-weld heat treatment and additional services like non-destructive testing and valve recertification. Drilltech ensures strict quality control to meet customer specifications through continuous monitoring, while our HSE policy, established in 2012, promotes health, safety, and environmental standards based on ISO guidelines, supported by ongoing training and audits. Thank you.